Hi everyone, welcome back to my videos. I'm Belle here. Today I'm going to do a horoscope makeup. And which horoscope am I going to do? Of course, it's my own horoscope Aries. So keep watching to see how I create this Aries horoscope makeup. I'm going to start off with my basic pre-makeup skincare routine. Okay, I've finished with the base makeup and I'm going to first apply this BB cream from Lindsay Magic. It is a body BB cream because there is a difference between my face and neck color. Hi guys, I finished off with my final look and this is how it looks, the Aries horoscope makeup look. A bit of red and pink and slightly purplish and with a more defined eyebrows and a glass-like diamond cheeks. My cheeks is from the same series from Natasha Denona, the Glow palette. And as for my lips, I did not use red, but I used a pink instead so as to soften the entire look because my hair is really red and my eyes is slightly red and purple, so I wanted a softer lip color, which is a pink nude color from Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. I love this series lipstick a lot. This Superstar. This is the lip that I'm using. This slightly nude color. It may seem dark on the lips itself, on this lipstick itself, but when it's applied to the lips, it is not as dark as it seems to be. And I really love this color as well as the smell, as a taste of a chocolate smell. And I've used this lip liner also to line my lips so it looks more defined. So hope you like my makeup look today, and also do let me know if there is any other horoscope that you would like to see, and also let me know if you are Aries too, and is this the kind of look that you would dare or like to put it on your face. And lastly, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not yet subscribed, and remember to turn on the notification bell so as to receive notification when I upload my weekly videos. See you in my next video. Bye.